Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process to reset the Messenger PIN code. So if you're also wondering how to do so, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that. Start by opening up the Messenger application for that on your device and log in into your account that has secure storage and your account logged in. Open up the application, and once you open it up, you just need to go over and access your settings. For that, look out for the three-line menu icon in the bottom right corner, and tap on it. And once you tap on menu, once you access your menu, you may just head over and access your settings. Once you access your settings, this page opens up on your screen. From here, you may just scroll down and go over and go to the option called privacy and safety. And once you tap on privacy and safety, here you will be finding different options. You need to head over to the security section and find the option for end-to-end encrypted chats. Once you go over here, you just need to head over to the option called message storage, where you can manage how you store and access your chat history. So tap on it. And once you tap on it here, you can look out for how to sync your chat history. So all you gotta do in order to reset your PIN is look out for the option called reset PIN under here and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can just go over and reset your PIN. So you can just go over and reset your PIN, confirm it up, and then you can confirm your PIN once again by entering the same PIN that you need. You will be needing when you switch to a new device, and you can look out for the submit option at the top right corner and submit it. And once you confirm it up, it will reset the PIN, message your PIN code on your screen. So therefore, if you'd also like to go ahead and reset your Messenger PIN code, you may just head over and follow up these steps. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.